Nigerian music icon Tiwa has opened up about her divorce from Tuji, known as T Bliss. Tiwa reveals the challenges she faced during and after their separation in 2018. Speaking on the Received podcast, the singer disclosed that her ex-husband was responsible for their split, which occurred amidst their struggle with postpartum depression. She recalled how prominent figures advised her to remain silent to preserve her reputation, even as the situation became emotionally overwhelming. Tiwa recounted how T Bliss denounced their marital issues online, leaving her to bear the brunt of public backlash. After attempting to share a side of the story, the singer said the criticism worsened. People said, "How dare you go and talk? I was told I would never win because I was a woman. It was heartbreaking. When I came out, I was Nigeria's sweetheart. When I started, I could do no wrong in Nigerians' eyes. I did everything by the book. I went to university. I wasn't a baby mama. I got married then. I had a baby. So I did everything in right order. And everybody loved me. And then everything happened. Then I started getting hate from blogs. And I started getting hate from some certain people. The way our situation happened, he announced it online. I didn't break up with him, but I was the one being attacked. At the time, my baby was just a few months old. I was dealing with postpartum, and my body wasn't the same, and I was depressed. Everyone then went to him, and only a few people came to see me. I remember famous people calling me to ask how I could tell my side of the story, cause I would never win. Ever since then, I was like I would never talk about the situation because it was very heartbreaking how the public took it and blamed me. It was an eye-opener for me, and it made me depressed for so long. It got me angry then. I became the African bad girl. I thought to myself that after doing everything right, I was still attacked. Then I started getting tattoos and wearing short skirts and bikini. I was just wild. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates on entertainment, gist, and lifestyle.